we are going to read from a file using some of the code from Java output. Get the path directory. Then write file equal new file. Read file test.txt. This statement represents the file we are going to write to. Therefore, we change the file name readFile test to file. If you want to, you can replace file with new file readFile test. I wanted to separate them on different lines. Let's add some more data. Copy, paste, and change Joe Doe to Jane Doe. Change software tester to automation tester. How about 10 years to 12 years experience? Next, we're going to read from a file. This class will be called FileReader, which is an input stream that reads from a file. Name the object readFile equal new file reader. The file is located in the current path directory. So we write, path directory and / read file test.txt. We're going to read from this file, but have to also scan the file. The purpose of scanner is to receive input. Let's also import this java.io package for FileReader and write scanner, scan equals new scanner. Which file? The read file. Let's try a quick test and print the first line. Write sysout scan dot next line. Let's run. Joe Doe. Perfect. Now let's read the complete file. While scan has a next line, let's also print the next line. Let's run. Every single line for John Doe and Jane Doe is displayed in the console. Let's make sure the file showed up in the Package Explorer. Bingo, it showed up. Joe Doe, Jane Doe. That's it for Java input and the Java output. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, click the bell icon to get notifications of each video. Connect with me on LinkedIn, follow me on Twitter, and also connect with me on Facebook. I have so many more videos for programming and automation, and I think you'll like what's coming up soon. Thank you.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.